and we just gonna go from there. Hopefully it's good. Jesus, please let it be good. Hey y'all. So I do have to record off my iPad because while moving, I literally threw away my camera lens. So right now, the only camera lens that I have is this one, and it's super like close. And my other camera lens, and my other camera that I have, I don't have a battery for it. Throw away the battery too. Wow. So today it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Woo, make some noise, y'all. Period. So I did say that I was gonna bring a peach cobbler. Low-key, it's my first time making peach cobbler, but I know how to cook, and I got YouTube, so I watch YouTube, watch a couple videos, and I think I'm gonna be okay. So I'm gonna try to make the crust from scratch, and we just gonna go from there. Hopefully it's good. Jesus, please let it be good. And yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all through this. Hopefully I do what needs to be done, but obviously I always do what needs to be done, so it's cool. So I'm gonna start off by washing my hands. So I did find this nice recipe. Really, first off, I watched a couple of different peach cobbler videos, and honestly, it's all the same. Everybody add like their little twang to it, but for the most part, everybody's was all the same. So I feel like I'm gonna be good. So right now, I got baking powder, some light brown sugar, flour for the crusty part. I got some vanilla extract. I got ground nutmeg and ground cinnamon, and I got my peaches with 100% juice. I'm going to pull up the video, and I'm also going to link the video down below of the recipe that I went by. So if it's good, y'all can definitely hit this guy up because his looked so good. Like, hold on. I can't even show you. You know these ads that get you. YouTube be on their money.
Okay. After it's had some time to rest, go ahead and serve it up, eat it by itself, eat it with ice cream. You do whatever you gotta do, but all I know is that this right here is a recipe that
I want mine to look like that.
To be everything. Bye.
Hopefully it does. So we just gonna get into it. So I don't have measuring things, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. He said about 1/4. So I feel like this is about 1/4. So we're gonna do 1/4 of that.
A simmer.
So I do got one cup.
Once this comes up to a simmer, make sure you got.
So that's about half a cup.
Okay. Once you do that, you're gonna give that a good mix. 1 course of the peaches that were drained and the granulated sugar.
And then it's a half cup of light brown sugar.
That was 1/4 of a teaspoon. This up to a simmer. Once this comes up to a simmer, make sure you guys that it's not boiling. A simmer, a light simmer. You do not want to.
A light simmer.
Once this comes up to a simmer.
When it gets done simmering, and make sure that it tastes pretty good.
Once you do that, you're gonna give that.
So y'all, it's looking like his. Okay, it's looking like his. It's looking like his. It's looking, y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir this up. And I have my eye on 2.5 because this is a new stove. It's very new. It's only 1 year old. And this stove get hot like no other, honey. So I don't really trust myself. Like, I trust myself making regular meals that like I already know how to make. But with meals that I don't know how to make, especially when he's saying simmer, a light simmer, we gonna let it lightly simmer. And you know what? I'm gonna just turn it up a little bit. I'm gonna put it on like 3. Okay, we're gonna put it on 3. We're gonna let this cook for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna add the nutmeg, the cinnamon, and the vanilla. He also added a caramel extract. I didn't find any caramel extract, so we just gonna leave it out. I think that it's just kind of like a preference type of thing with him anyways. So we just gonna see what this do, what it do, and I'll be back. These are what the peaches are looking like right now. Okay. So now that we got that going, we are going to make the batter. I'm gonna work with what I got because, y'all, why don't I have my mixing bowl no more? Moving was like terrible, seriously. If I could give y'all any advice for moving, pack a month in advance or else you're gonna lose like your whole life, like I did. Y'all, I'm just so nervous. I keep on forgetting steps. Okay, he put a little bit of cinnamon over the top. Okay, there we go. I feel like that's good. Okay, big. Okay, take 2, action. Okay, this is mine and this is his. I think it looked the same. See, hold on. Let's compare. Close enough. Oh my god, y'all. I'm just so stressed out. I just want it to be good. Okay. Okay, we finna pop it in the oven. Okay, so it's 3:14. I'm gonna go get in the shower, and then I think by the time I get out the shower, it should be good. Okay, period. Always clean as you go. So I just did my dishes. I just did my hair, took a shower, and honestly, y'all, it smells so good in here. I think I just did something, y'all. I think I just did something. I'm running late, so I hope it's good, y'all. Fingers crossed. Whew. But we shall see. We shall see. Okay, y'all. I let it cook for like 50 minutes. He was right about making it in the pan that he told us to make it in. Oh, God. This looks amazing. I might have did something, y'all. I might have did something, y'all. I might have did something. Ooh. Y'all, this looks great. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let that cool. And we're gonna see what's happening.